Hey, what is up you guys, and welcome back to another video. Sorry about my hair, it's kind of messy, I didn't have time to do it. But today I'm going to be reviewing slime from Sophia's Super Slimes. And she has an Etsy account on Instagram. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool that like people have all these like cool slime accounts and you could just order from them, and you should totally buy from her. So yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to comment down below some video ideas. And yeah, let's get right on to the video. And I also just like to say sorry, like this video might be a bit long because I have like quite a few slimes here. Let me show you them. That many slimes from Sophia. I know, you guys, I ordered a lot. By the way, that background was just like a cushion on my bench that I'm setting my phone up next to because my tripod is upstairs. And yeah, so go check out my other videos. I just did a whisper challenge all about me, and I got scam video, and I am currently right now posting a video on blindfolded slime challenge. And sorry about the background noises, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this first one is a duo, and I'm gonna get the duos out of the way first. So this is called the Soda Pop Duo, and it's a pink slime and a white slime. So I'm gonna open the white one first. So I've already opened these slimes like out of their box and everything a couple weeks ago, but I've just not gotten around to doing this video. So yeah. So this first slime, like I've already felt all slimes, but this first slime is like kind of like glossy slash thick sort of slime. It's like a really thick slime. Like I don't have like a really good thick slime recipe, and I'm looking for one. So comment down below some really good thick slime recipes, because I literally don't have a clue about any thick slime recipes. And I'm not gonna take too long on each slime because like I have a bunch. But yeah, that is this one. Sorry that I'm not doing like regular ASMR, I'm smelling like seeds straight, but I like, again, my tripod is upstairs and I don't know where it is, but I know it's upstairs, so I'm gonna look for that after this video. So sorry. Okay. Sorry about the background noises again. It's this slime. The next one for the duo, there's a little bit on my hand. Sorry, my sister is literally singing. Who knows why? But this is like a nice glossy slime, and it's the pink part. And this is super glossy. I don't know if you could see, but like, it's super glossy. It smells like strawberries, like really sweet, like strawberry candy. Like not fresh strawberries, like candy strawberries, which I love. And like, it's not sticky at all, and I didn't have to add any activator to these when I first did my package, when it like first came in the mail. But yeah, actually, never mind, this one is a bit sticky, but like it's not that sticky, it'll come right off your hands. So that's that duo. Like, it's kind of sticky when you poke it like that, but you know, okay. So next slime is another duo, and I only have 2 duos, and this is the last duo. So this duo is milk and cookie duo. So this is obviously cookie, and this is the milk. So cookie and milk. We're gonna start out with the cookie because last time we started out with like the white part. So this is a butter slime, and it's scented like chocolate. Like I could smell it from here, and like when you get it close to you. So sorry about the background noise, my sister is coughing, but this is a really nice butter slime, and it has some brown glitter in it. I don't know if you can see it, but it does. And like, guys, it's such a nice butter slime. Sorry you can't really see like the ASMR like I already said before, but you guys, this is amazing. I have a lot of slime, so I might have to do part 2, but I'm not sure. But I think I'm gonna just get to do them all in one video. But yeah, that's this slime. And then the milk part of it, let me get to that. Okay, and the milk part is more glossy than the other milk one. I feel like just the other milk one was thicker and more of like a thick slime. This one's more of like a glossy slime. Even though, yeah, sorry, slime fell. Even though the other one was glossy, this one's like glossier and more glossy than thick. It's kind of like the strawberry one, which I love. It's not really scented, but it smells good. I don't know. There's like a dry piece of slime here. It's, sorry, that was like weird. I was like, but it smells sweet, but like not really scented. Like I can't put my finger on it because it's just supposed to be milk, but it's obviously not scented like milk. It just smells sweet. This one's a bit sticky, but it's not that bad. Sorry about the background noise. Again, the TV's on and my sister's talking, and so is my aunt. But yeah, probably should have done this video upstairs, but all my slimes are down here, so I just decided not to. Sorry, that slime keeps on. And I'm gonna warn you guys, my sister might come in and I'll just be like, hey Marina, can you please get out? So yeah. But if you're wondering why she comes in, I'll be like, hey, can you please leave? So if that happens, like, please don't mind it. Just like skip right through until I'm playing with slime again. So this one is called Strawberry Daiquiri. Ooh, oops. And it's a butter slime, and this color is literally beautiful. Like, I don't know if you could see, but it smells so good. It smells like strawberries, but that's like the richest red ever. I don't know. Like, it's just amazing. And it smells like strawberries, and it's like a super thick, but yeah, like stretchy butter slime. Because her butter slimes are amazing. Like, this is only the second one that I felt like so far, but like, it's amazing. Even though I've already kind of like felt them, I mean, like on camera. And like, I got a bunch of cloud slimes in here because like I love cloud slimes, and I just bought mostly cloud slimes. And like, I can never make the perfect like foliage thing, if you know what I'm talking about. So I ordered some of my own. And these are like filled to the top, as you can see. Maybe like this one isn't as filled, but they're basically all filled to the top. Sorry, I'm gonna like, wait, I think I'm gonna sit in this chair because like you guys, literally hurts, not my back. I'm just gonna sit, okay, no. Not my back, but like it just kind of hurts. So you're not gonna see my face, but like you'll see the surface. That's what I'm trying to do. So this one is named Vanilla Bean Frappuccino. Ooh, okay. So this one is like, so it's not a fake, it's not a cloud slime. It's those fake snow slimes. It's like made with the plastic snow, I guess it's called. And this is scented like vanilla. And it has nice like little black glitters in it to represent the vanilla bean, I guess. It smells literally so good, you guys. My like both of my feet are asleep and it hurts so bad. Comment down below if you've bought from Sophia or if you want to. Her Instagram account is Sophia Super Slimes. So go follow her, and then hopefully if you could just buy from her because her slimes are amazing. So if you're looking to get like really good cheap slimes, order from her. Okay, so this next one is Red Velvet Batter, and this is an extra. So yeah, but all the other ones I've bought. Like, I'll tell you when it's an extra and when it's not. I'm not sure. I think this is just sold as extras. I don't think it's in her shop. Some of the extras could be in her shop and some of them can't be, and they're just like slimes that she makes especially for extras. So maybe she doesn't want them in her shop. But this is like, again, like the richest red. I don't know how she does it because like when you start out with a white slime, usually it makes it pink. And especially when you add Daisy Clay like the other one. Daisy Clay's white is hard. Sorry about that. There was a dog barking. Again. Okay. Sorry about that. But it does do like the thing where it falls, which is amazing. And it only leaves a little bit of residue and it comes right up. And it's scented like cake. Like a really sweet cake scent. But not like red velvet cake, because I guess there's really no scent for that. Okay. So this next one is Oreo ice cream. And this is in her shop, but I got it as an extra. Like for one of my extras. I'm so sorry about that dog, guys. She's probably barking, maybe like, sometimes she barks at the TV or her shadow. I know, it's funny. So this is a super glossy slime, and it's a foam. It's like black and white foam, and it's, again, named Oreo ice cream, and it's scented like Oreos, and I love the idea of this, like the Oreo kind of vibe it has there. Oh yeah, there's a little piece of, okay, so it's super glossy and thick, and like watch it fall, literally. Well, not fall, but like drizzle, if you know what I mean. And there's a little piece of slime on me. Again, I'm so sorry about the background noises. There's like people talking and the TV going, and it's like not too good of a time to film a video, but it's okay. So this is like an amazing slime. I can't take my hands off it. But sadly, I had to put it away because I can't take too long on one slime. So sorry about the background noises. Literally, I can't say sorry enough because there are going to be so many background noises. Literally, guys, no joke, and you can't even like hear the slime. Okay. Now, next slime is named Lover's Sugar Scrub, and this is like a Valentine's Day one, I guess. And you guys, this is so pretty. You can't really see, but there's so much glitter in here, and it's such a pretty pink. But it's kind of like camera's like there's no flash, but it's so much prettier in person than you guys see, and like what you guys are seeing. Like you guys, none of the beads fall out, literally. And if a couple do, it's literally like no joke, a couple. And like, you know, sometimes beads fall out, but like this is the perfect texture, the perfect amount of beads, perfect amount of sparkles. It's nice and clear, and it kind of smells like roses. Like, let me open the window because like there's no good lighting here. Hopefully that's better so that you could see the slime. Yeah, that's better, but like, no joke, you guys. It's like, literally, it does not do it justice. But like, 2 beads just fell out. Literally 2, like I said before. Literally, no more than 2. 2 just fell out again. Only 2. Like, you guys, the slime is amazing. It's kind of like dark outside, but it gives me a little bit of light. Okay, so this one's named Hot Cocoa. And I think it's a cloud slime. Yeah, it's a cloud slime from my memory, I remember. And it comes out in one piece, which is amazing. And it is scented like hot cocoa. I can smell it from here. Oh my god, it does this thing like with the lid. And it has those marshmallow beads that I've been looking for everywhere and haven't been able to find. Like kind of brown, but like the marshmallow beads, if you know what I'm talking about. And like they are amazing. They give it such a nice texture in there to be like the marshmallows. And you guys, watch this foliage. I hope it does like the thing. It does. Okay. Well, not as good as like some things, like her last slime did, but you guys, it does do it, and it doesn't even leave residues to the point where I have to roll it. I did just roll it, but that was from like the red velvet one. The red velvet one leaves a bit more residue. And it like clicks, which is weird for a cloud slime to me. I don't know why, because I didn't think that they were clicky. Okay, so that is this slime. Next slime is Cupid's Cotton Candy, and this used to be pink and blue swirled, and now it's a pretty purple color because I mixed it. It does the thing where it falls. Oh gosh. And it's scented like cotton candy. But you guys, this used to be like, when I first got it, it was mixed like pink and blue. Like, and then you got to mix it yourself. So it was like really cool. And now it's just like a really, really light purple color. And I love it. It looks kind of blue on camera because I think there was a bit more blue than pink in the slime. But it's more purple in person also. Like, let's see if it does the fall thing. I think it does, and it hardly leaves any residue. Like, it leaves a little bit, but it's so good. so soothing to just like push down like cloud slime. I don't know why, but yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 more slimes. I mean, we're doing pretty good on time, I guess. Okay, so this next one is Sophia's Super Slime Cereal. And this one is a foam, and it's like glossy and thick with foam beads. And it's, again, Sophia's Super Slime Cereal. And her logo is like purple, so I guess that's why this is purple. And it's scented like grapes, and it's super stretchy. And like clicky. Sorry about like the lighting kind of changing, but yeah. This is super good. And like she gives you like her containers are really good, like the plastic ones, and like also these ones are really good too. I've only gotten one of the kind that I just showed you, but like really the rest of the slimes, there's only 5 left that have these containers. All the others are like the good ones, and these are good too. So this is an extra, and it's birthday cake batter. Ooh. Okay, so this one is a super thick slime, and it's glossy too, and it's scented like birthday cake. And it has, you know, those like little sprinkles, that's what it has in it. And you guys, this is, once again, I'm mind blown. It's like so stretchy and thick and glossy, and it's scented so nice, and I love the idea of it. And this was an extra again, so it's not in her shop. And I'm pretty sure like most of these extras, I feel like she just made up because I like got so many extras because I ordered so many real slimes. So like she probably ran out of the slimes that are used for extras and just made up new ones. So if you're getting slime from her, don't expect to get all these extras unless you order a lot of slime like I did. Like only the majority of them are extras. Okay. So that one's super thick again. Next one is Berry Cloud, and it's an extra. Oh. Okay, so this is a cloud slime. Whoa, you guys. I'm in love. Okay, and I love the idea of like the foam beads in here because it's such a nice touch and they don't even fall out. And it's scented like berries. Okay, this one does the most foliage. It is amazing. I officially give all of my applause. This is my favorite cloud slime of hers so far. And then Cupid's Cotton Candy, but you guys, this is so amazing. It does the foliage thing. It leaves like the littlest bit of residue. It smells amazing. It looks amazing. It feels amazing. You guys, Sophia, everyone, this is amazing. Sorry, that was really weird. I was like, but I'm gonna put this one away because I'm too obsessed with it. The only problem with these containers is like the slime gets a little bit stuck to the like label, but that's the only thing wrong. And then it's not even that bad. Okay, so the next one is Love Cereal, and this is like a light pink slime with a bunch of rainbow foam beads in it. Super crunchy, glossy and thick, scented like so sweet, like strawberries. Sorry, I have to move my chair, but you guys, this slime, literally, and you can like see all the beads. Sorry. Anyways, you can see like all the beads, and it's literally so stretchy and thick. Can you please close the door? It's really loud.
Just got an activator. Sorry, guys.
Okay, so wait, the door didn't close. I warned you that she would come in. Hopefully, just skipped over that, but So as I was saying, it's super thick and like stretchy, and I love this one. So yeah. Oh, by the way, my sister who just came in, she has an account or YouTube too. It's Marina Scarlett, and she just focuses on like makeup, I guess. Okay, so this is an extra. It's called Strawberry Cotton Candy. It's like a pinkish purple color. Ooh, this is a cloud. Scented like strawberries. Whoa, this does the fallish thing. I don't know what to call it. Like balls, I guess. Sorry about the TV background noises. And sorry about my sister coming in. I can't say sorry enough in this video. That TV is so loud. I love this slime. And I only have 3 more slimes with those other containers, and then it's just the rest of these. I don't have that many slimes left. I'll show you what I've done and what I have left. This is what I've done, and this is what I have left. Okay. Next one is the berry smoothie. It's an extra, and it's a purple color. Ooh, this is a cloud. Pretty sure there's only like 2 more cloud slimes. Sorry for getting sick of cloud slimes, but this is scented like berries again. Like really strong, but like not too strong that it's like overpowering. Just like perfect strongness, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna do a swirl. Like, it's really hard to do a swirl with cloud slime, I feel like. I love it. It's so perfect. Again, guys, comment down below some recipes for thick slimes. I would love to hear them, because, like, I love thick slime. I love me some thick slime. Okay. Next slime is Cupid's Candy, and this is like, has red foam beads, magenta, pink. Yeah, red, magenta, and pink foam beads, and it's a light pink slime. It smells like the bubblegum lip scrub from Lush, and the actual slime is super thick and glossy. And the reason it's not clear is because of its scent, but I contacted her and asked her to send the clear slimes, so that's why some of them aren't clear. Like the sugar scrub and this one, so that's why it's not clear. But this, it's like, it's a little pink Swedish fish charm. That's cute. And I'm gonna do, oh, it's super stretchy, and like the foam beads give it a bit of crunch, but like at the same time, they're not too much in it, I guess. I just have to turn around the camera and show you like my dream Instagram video, I guess. Sorry about the TV again, but like, look at this. Goals. But yeah, if you want to see my Instagram, go to ss_slimes1234, and my main account is Samara Scarlett. And I love this slime. And then there's only 2 more with this kind of container, so just saying. Okay, so this is Vanilla Mickey Chip. Sorry, my battery's on like 10%, so I better hurry up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more slimes. So this is Vanilla Mickey Chip, and it has the marshmallow beads again that I really want to have. And it has like, it's like black glitter with like a couple Mickey glitters, if you don't see that. Like, by Mickey glitters, I mean like the glitter is Mickey Mouse shaped. I don't know if you can see that one. And it's scented like vanilla, and it's super stretchy and glossy and thick. This one might stand as my favorite, like, slime of all for slimes. But hey, we still got a bunch, not a bunch more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. I literally just said that and then I forgot it. But this one's not filled to a top because it's the extra, but it is in a shop. So if you're wondering why, and I like told her not to fill them all the way up because it's not that big of a deal. like if she couldn't fit it all. So this one is blueberry lemonade, and it's scented like blueberries, and this one is in her shop, and it's again scented like blueberries, and it's a light blue slime with yellow foam beads to represent lemon and blue foam beads to represent blueberry. It's super glossy and thick, like all of her other slimes, literally, no joke. They're all glossy and thick, sorry. And it's super stretchy and like thick, and it's not sticky at all. Just trying to show you all the beads in it. I'm gonna show you guys all my Snoop slimes and OG slimes in a video, but might not film that until for next week. Yikes. That was a huge bubble. Okay. So I'm gonna do another slime. Okay, not all the rest of the containers are like the really good ones. Okay, so this is called Golden Hearts, and it's like a gold pigmented slime. It's clear. This is really not scented. It kind of just smells like pigment, to be honest, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells good. Whoa, you guys, that is like amazing. It's so clear. Maybe she didn't want to scent it to keep it clear, but also with the pigments it's fine. So how could it be clear? But I don't really know. I love this. Okay. Put this away. Okay. Next slime is I Love You Very Much. What guys? Okay, so it's like a purple slime, and it's a butter slime. Can't get enough of her butters, you guys. Her butter slimes are so amazing. It's kind of scented like blueberries / blackberries / strawberries, honestly. And that's kind of like the color too. You guys, it's super like matte and like buttery and like smooth. You could tell these were all like the butters were all made with Diesel clay, because Diesel clay is just super thick. I love Diesel clay. Okay. Next slime is, I forget what this is exactly called, but it's a peppermint slime because it's green with glitters in it, and it has a peppermint charm in here somewhere. I just don't know where. I'm trying to move around the container to find it. Oh, found the charm. That was pretty easy, especially because it's pretty small, but it's like green and white spiraled. And it's super cute, and it goes with the green glitter slime. And it's scented like mint, kind of like peppermint, spearmint sort of, that kind of smell. And it's super thick and glossy. But I have to put it away because we have 3 slimes left, and this video is already at 28 minutes. You guys, this video is a long one. I should have told you to grab a drink and a snack, but do it now because there's only 3 slimes left. Okay, so this one is grape candy floss, and it's an extra. Ooh, it's a cloud. And it's a really dark, like rich sort of purple color, like velvety almost. Ooh, this smells so good, like tropical fruits almost. Sorry, my hands just like got super close to the camera. Oh my god, this is amazing. I do not have a slime shop, so if you were wondering, like I would have put in the links like in the description below, but I do not. So yeah. Next is Strawberry and Laffy Taffy. Ooh, it's super clicky. So like sweet, like strawberry candy. It's super glossy. Sorry I'm going fast all of a sudden, just like this video is super long. I hope you guys aren't bored, but it's super clicky and glossy. It smells like strawberries. It's a perfect slime. Love. And I actually met Sophia before. By met, I mean we go to the same school. So like it's super cool to just like, cause like when you go to school with them, you're like, hey, like we're really good friends. And it's so cool to think about how we're both like involved with slime. So this next one is called, well actually it's the last one. It's called Valentine Oreo. And when I got it, it was on the top. It was a pink cloud slime, and then a white slime, and then a dark, and then another pink cloud slime. So, and in the middle, it was a thick, glossy slime. And on the outside, it was cloud slime. And what makes this so cool is because it's a cloud slime slash, like, it stays together. Like, you could do a swirl with it. Like, it's like the slightest bit cloud. Like, it does everything cloud slimes can do, and it does everything thick slimes can do. Except it doesn't really do, like, the foliage thing, but, like, and it smells like Oreos. And this is my favorite one. And, like, it smells so much like Oreos, just like the Oreo one. And I just love the texture because it's like a cloud slime slash thick slime. And it just surprised me so much that she would be like daring enough to try that, like with two different slimes. Like you could tell, guys, this holds up way better than a cloud slime. Like if it was a cloud slime, it would be sticking to the table, and literally it doesn't. Not that her cloud slimes do that, but like, guys, I don't know how to explain it. You'll just have to buy it for yourself to know. And it's super clicky and everything. And yeah, I'm gonna have to put it away, and then when I end the video, I'll play with it more. So yeah, let me just close this up, and then I'll do the outro. Okay. So please do not forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And yeah, so and just comment down below like everything that you want me to do. And yeah, bye.